Okay guys, what's up YouTube? It's your boy Dem here, Demthelightss, and I'm back with another video. But this time, I'm not about to talk about Robinhood, not talking about different ways to invest. I'm about to give y'all some key steps that I think it will help you out in life. And this video, name of it is 7 Simple Rules to Create Wealth. Or I'm gonna give y'all probably more than 7 simple rules to create wealth. Probably give y'all 8, 9, 10. We're just gonna get into this video, but I need everybody to like, comment, subscribe. Let's get into it. So boom, first, 7 simple rules to create wealth. The first thing you have to do is you have to see how much debt you have and where it is. So write down your current balances and what type of debt it is, like credit cards, student loans, etc. etc. Be sure to list down the interest rate too that you are paying as well. So interest rate on a car, interest rate on any type of different credit cards you got. Best Buy credit card, a store credit card, clothing credit card, any type of credit card. List out them interest rate and see how much debt you got. As in, you got 25,000 car debt you in, or 40,000 student loan debt, credit card debt as in 1,500 or like $2,000 on credit card. Write down all the debt and see where it is at. Second, yes, this is the second one now. So this is the step after acknowledging how much debt you has, is start paying off your debt. Once you organize your debt and create a plan to follow, you can start paying off your debt and start building wealth. See, the first thing to create wealth is to get out of debt. Everybody know that. If you don't know it by now, that's the first thing to do to create wealth, is to get out of debt. So pay off your student loan, pay off credit cards balances, high credit card balances. Ain't no reason to have over 10,000 on no credit card. You run yourself in the hole. Pay off your car or pay double payments on your car. If you got $400 every month, let's try to make it try to put down 6 every month, or $450. Just pay extra. We're gonna get out of debt. That's the first thing you need to do to create wealth. If you don't do this right here, it's gonna be very hard for you to create wealth, because you're gonna be having constant something drag you back down, and constantly that's gonna keep you in a hole. Let's stop that, guys. So third, I got, some people may not think this is important to have, but it's very key if you're an entrepreneur, and also if you want to get further in life. You gotta learn how to network, guys. You never know when you need the help of your network. You'll never know that. So learn how to network. If I need to learn something about real estate, I need network with somebody that's already in real estate. If I need to know something about stocks, I need to network with somebody who already in stocks. Reach out to different YouTubers to network. Reach out to different people like financial advisors, lawyers, stuff like that. You gotta learn how to network, guys. You gotta learn how to talk. Communication is key into the networking field. Learn how to talk, cause networking will get you into a lot of doors. So that's a main big one. I'll say these are the big 3: is learn how to network, pay off your debt, and acknowledge your debt. So fourth is become valuable. By becoming valuable to your boss and your company, you lessen the threat of a layoff and earn more money. So make yourself valuable as an investment to yourself. Go in and get that degree. Go and get them certifications. Go to work. Be smart. Be good. Play a key. Play a role. Become valuable, because a valuable person is hard to lose, or easy to lose, or either or. Go how you want to take it. So make sure you be on point when it comes to this. Become valuable. You want to provide a service. You want to be an asset to somebody. You don't want to become a liability to no company or nobody else, because when you become a liability, you got to get gone, because what are you producing to help people earn more money? So that's another thing you need to do, is become valuable. You need to have some type of asset in you that you portray to make yourself build wealth. And you can build wealth from college degrees. It's all about what type of degree you got and how you network. People love to say school is a scam. School You can say it's a scam to a certain degree, but it's all about if you're gonna go to school and actually network and actually do what you got to do, then school won't become a scam to you. See, I'm just giving out valuable game right there. So the fifth I would say is work hard. You gotta work hard. Along with being a lifelong learner is to work hard. You can't just skate by even if you stay on the top of trends in your field. You have to work hard. This means getting a lot done, take on new projects, help out anywhere you can. If you work hard, you know what comes after that. Work hard, you play hard. You do the work now, you put in the ground now, you can play hard later. People love to play first, and then boom, after that they working really hard. If you work hard right now, you don't gotta work hard later, and you can play hard later. People want the fun now. You can't do that. Life is not about that. So go ahead, work hard, putting them hours in, grinding, get them YouTube videos done, reach out to people, work hard in school, work hard, grind hard on the job, do different type of things, because you got to work hard to get where you want to be at in life. Work hard, play hard. That's the fifth step. Sixth, I'm going to say, is start your own business. A lot of financial success comes from starting your own business. You don't have to start a franchise or invest a ton of money here either. So start your own business. You can start your lashes, start your candle, start your clothing brand, start your YouTube channel, start your reselling shoes, start anything. Like, start your own business. So when you start your own business, you are the boss, and you take in 100% of the income. You don't got to split that up with nobody unless you cut a deal with somebody else. But starting your own business is a tax write-off too, and it's a different type of steps in using it as a tax write-off. I know you gotta have like 500 or more employees to have that tax write-off, because then you be a corporation. You just won't be a business, you be a big corporation that providing jobs. So start your own business will lead to you financial success and build for you to become very wealthy. 7 right here is be a lifelong learner. Never stop learning, because the day you stop learning, the day you will never really grasp into what you really need to know about a certain field or a certain type of stock, crypto, anything. Just constantly learn, because the markets change, wealth change. So you got to be a constant lifelong learner to know where you got to be at in life. Knowing how much money you got to get to be at a certain step in that place in life too. So become a lifelong learner. 8, I will say right here, is consider real estate investing, because real estate investing is a great way to build wealth. As you know, real estate investing, they say it's the #1 key to build wealth in America, and people don't realize that real estate plays a whole role, because you can't create more real estate. Like, you can't buy more land, because that's something it's a limited supply and demand. So limited supply, high demand. A lot of supply, low demand. You know about this, guys. So think about becoming or getting into real estate investing. 9 is overall, I'm gonna say, is invest. I know I done went over 8 steps already, but let me go back to the 8 step. So the biggest downside is it could take you a long time to build a good savings to get into real estate, because some real estates require you have 10% down payment, 3% down payment. Most people don't got that type of money sitting around a savings account, so it takes a while to get into you. It's not a fast moving thing. Real estate is like slow, but it's constant money too at the same time, if you get my drift. So 9, I'm gonna say, is invest. So invest overall. Invest into Roth IRAs, big tax write-off, invest into stocks, invest into crypto, real estate, any type of investing, because investing is going to get you to become a millionaire. You got to make your money work for you. Your money is making you money. You don't go out and make money. That's the slow way. The easy way to become a millionaire is to invest. You got to know how to invest. 10 is 10, I would say, is know what matters. So know what you got to spend your money to. Don't be go out here just spending your money on clothes and shoes all the time just because you saying, oh, you got to live life. You only live life once. Yeah, you only live life once, but in the future, though, you're going to be regretting, like, why did I buy all them shoes? Why I spent all that money on different stuff? So know what matters. Know what really matters into creating wealth, because you got to have this type of mindset. 11 is track your net worth, as in, write down your goals or any type of thing. Just write down your goals, or write down how much do you own a certain asset or liabilities. You gotta know your net worth. 12, it goes back to know what matters. 12 is spend smart. Is because the rich know what they spending. The rich do not spend nothing on nothing that's gonna give them a bad return on their money. You already want to have a good ROI, which is return on investment. Anything you spend money on, you might want to think as, what's a good return that I'm getting back on this thing that I had purchased or what I had invested my money into. 14, I would say, well, not 14, I would say 13, but whatever step we on, we're going to skip over the number and we're going to say develop a wealth mindset. We all have a money mindset. Some have a poor mindset, while others have a wealth mindset. Whichever your typical thought patterns are about money, and is about how your life will turn out. So that's something I have gotten to. A little quote. So whatever your thought pattern is about money is how your life will turn out. So if you don't have no money knowledge, you're not gonna have money. If you have wealth knowledge, you're gonna have wealth. It's all about what type of mindset you got, what type of, how you thinking about money is going to get you the place to the money. Poor people have a poor mindset because all they do is spend. They don't invest, they don't save, they try and keep up with the Joneses. That's a poor mindset. A wealth mindset, people is already investing, they worry about their own self, they set goals, they are good in productivity and everything. And they have business and all the steps I repeat before. That's a wealth mindset. So get yourself into a wealth mindset. And 15 or 14, this is the last one I'm gonna say right here, is set goals, guys. Set a high goal of where you want to reach to at the end of the year, or every 6 months, or every 3 months, 2 months. Just set a goal and try to achieve them goals, because if you don't set a goal, how you supposed to get the long big thing in the end? You gotta learn how to set goal and achieve them goals, guys. Do not give up on your goal, because everybody on this earth, you can do anything you put your mind to, as long as you put your mind to it and put your all into it. You can't slack, you cannot give up, none of that, guys. You just gotta set goals. And that right there, guys, that really conclude this video. This is my simple rules to create wealth, Demthelightss version. I'm glad everybody who support me, guys. Again, like, comments, and subscribe. Get me to 300 subs by the end of this month. And you know we pushing to the big goal, 1,000 subscribers. Get me there, guys. I love all my supporters and everything you had done for me. I very appreciate it. More videos out. No more videos is set out to come. So stay tuned. Watch any of the other videos that I'm about to put up on the screen here. Check me out, guys. Share this to your friends, and that's all I gotta say. It's your boy Dem here, Demthelightss. I'm out. Peace.